Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to stop screen mirroring in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, suppose if you have enabled screen mirroring from your phone to TV, you should have at least used Google Home app or any other app. Okay, so if you have used any screen mirroring app, just open that app. Here I have used Google Home. Just click on Google Home and click on stop mirroring, and mirroring will be stopped. Okay, so this is to stop from your phone itself. Suppose if you want to stop screen mirroring from your TV itself, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just with your TV remote, you can just go back. Okay, take out of TV remote and just press back button, and screen mirroring will be stopped. So in these two methods you can stop screen mirroring from your phone. Okay, phone as well as from your TV you can stop screen mirroring. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.